Hello and welcome back to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today we're looking at Song 199. Yesu tai oi, ya imato ne. Jesus, lead us. Let's take a listen to the melody.
Yesu tai oe, ya imato nei, muina tinga ina, tau si mai loa alofa.
This song is based on Psalm 107. The song begins with thanksgiving. Oh, give thanks to Yahweh, O God, for his loving kindness endures forever. He goes on to say, let the redeemed of Yahweh say so, whom he has redeemed from the land of the adversary. They wandered in the wilderness along the way of the wasteland. They did not find an inhabited city. The missionaries use verse 7 as a reference verse. It reads, he led them by a straight way to a city where they could settle. The psalm talks about redemption, talks about deliverance, and it talks about the way. In Colossians chapter 1, verse 13 to 14, we read, he, that is God, has delivered us from the domain of darkness and transferred us to the kingdom of his beloved Son, in whom we have redemption, the forgiveness of sins. This song is a clear reference to Jesus as our shepherd. He leads us. Jesus said, my sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. If we're not following Jesus, we're following somebody else. And beloved, there is no such thing as a godless person. No true atheism or true atheist. Everyone follows somebody or something. So that's a beautiful truth from this song. Yesu tai oi, Jesus lead us. That means we follow. And if we're not following Jesus, then we're living in a lie. And that lie or falsehood will lead to death. First, physical death. And then second death, which is separation from God forever. May that truth compel you to call upon his name. May God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.